Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. We're gonna do an unboxing for Monsterbass for the ice series for December. Kind of a sneak peek. I just got the box a couple days ago and I'm actually standing on ice right now. Let me show you what we're looking at. We have tip ups set up. I got another guy with me, so if you see too many traps, that's why. We have like just enough safe ice to put one person next to the hole if we get a fish. We're set up right now. We got safe ice here in New Hampshire. Let's do an unboxing. I haven't even looked in the boxes yet for December, and now it's December 1st. So first, we got a Sikka Smelt stick. And it looks like it glows. And this would be perfect because we have tons of smelt here in New Hampshire. That'd be perfect. It's got like a little Haley style jig chain on it, which I might upgrade, I'm not sure. But great vertical jig, and oh, it does say it glows. That'll be awesome. We got the Lindy Perch talker. It's got some brass beads on there. Hope you guys can see that. Brass beads, super shiny, and it's got that chain and a treble hook. I might upgrade those as well because I've never broken a chain, but I'm always like nervous about breaking a chain. So that'll be great for maybe even white perch, yellow perch for sure. Where I am now is a yellow perch area, but the ice is not safe out super deep, so we're staying in close. We got the Lindy Rattling Flyer spoon. Darts and glides with a panicked swimming action. And it's got a, see if I can hold the, it does have a rattle in it. I'm holding the treble hook so you guys can hear that. It's got a little rattle in it, it's shiny, and it's got like little wings on it, so it might actually like scope out and have that like fluttering action. We got another glow scud missile, tungsten size 12 from Widowmaker Lure. I love stuff that glows. It just works. It just works. Fish are attracted to it. It's an impulse bite. Gotta love that. Love tungsten. Ooh, and we got a Bass Reaper, a 5mm ice jig. You guys see that? 5mm ice jig. And I love the ones that have like a wide gap between the hook and the eye. Better for setting the hook. That's from Bass Reaper. And we got some soft plastics. We got Hot Pink from Widowmaker Waxy Jr. Hang that off the tip of one of those tungsten jigs. Ooh, like a little tadpole, micro minnow tadpole looking thing from Bass Reaper. I like that color, like red color. And then we have slotted float stops. So we can put those as an indicator on, or we can put that on like a jaw jacker basically, so when it goes off it stops at that point and we can reset it easy, and it'll just, you know, kind of like break loose. Those are sick. And then we have a $10 cash card from Detour Sunglasses. I'll have to check those out. I've never heard of that brand before. That's what's in your December icebox, guys. If you want to get one of these boxes below, it's a 4-month subscription. You can do 1 month at a time if you want. You can sign up with my link below. Helps me out, helps Monsterbass out, helps you guys catch fish. Thank you very much for watching.